everybody, it's Hexa, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Muddy Monthly October mask from Muddy Body. I actually received my mask early enough this month that I think I can publish this video while it is actually still available. So if you want to try out the October mask, you can subscribe up until the 31st of October. I called Muddy Body and they said that it will be available until the 31st, but you might want to order on the 30th just to be safe. Again, we have our little Muddy Monthly box, so let's just dive in. So Muddy Monthly is a skincare subscription box from the brand Muddy Body, and every single month they will send you a 1 ounce powder mud mask. If you live in the US, it is $15 with free shipping, and if you live outside the US, then you pay $20.50 in total, including the shipping and the product. And every single month you get a different little extra item or gift. Also today I'm filming for the very first time with my new ring light. Hopefully it's just the right brightness. I don't really know, but we're gonna figure it out. These lights are like honestly super bright. I think I'm gonna be like seeing weird spots in my vision after I'm done filming, but oh well. Ta-da! Okay, so same packaging as usual. Again, the inside of the box is usually this nice little lilac color. We have some info cards, the receipt, and in here we have the mask all bubble wrapped, nice and safe and snug. And our free gift this month, which is really, honestly, I think this is the tiniest sample I've seen in my life, but it is very cute. I really love minis. This month's Muddy Monthly clay mask is called Boo, and the main ingredients are pumpkin, orange, and buckthorn. And our sample is a teeny tiny bottle of the Muddy Body Glow Skin Perfecting Elixir, I think it's called. I actually think this is a really great sample because I think the Glow Elixir is the most expensive product on their website at this time. So I was a little bit hesitant to buy it. I wasn't sure if I would like it, but it seemed really interesting. So I'm actually really glad to have a sample of this because now I get to try it out before deciding to purchase it or not. The full ingredients list of the Boo mask is as follows. French pink clay, kaolin clay, not sure if I'm saying that right, it's Kaolin clay, orange peel powder, pumpkin seed powder, sea buckthorn powder, and orange oil. The mask has a little bit of like a pinkish kind of tint to it. As I said, I think in my last video, I was really hoping that this month's mask would be pitch black. That's what I was hoping for, but I guess this is just a little bit more practical rather than aesthetic. I guess if they made a pitch black mask, it would have to be mostly just activated charcoal or something like that, and maybe that just wouldn't be, the formula wouldn't be special enough for their standards. I'm gonna take this off. I wore orange and black just for this video because it's like the October mask for Halloween and everything, but I'm getting a little bit warm, so we're just gonna be orange from now on. As always, the mask is 1 ounce or 30 grams. Muddy Body is vegan and cruelty-free. All of the ingredients in their powder mud masks are all natural and organic and all that stuff. Very good, healthy, natural ingredients. None of those really complicated, science-y chemical names that you don't necessarily recognize. Now I'm gonna mix this mask in with a little bit of water and put it on my face and see how we feel about it. Alrighty, so I can already tell that the scent of this is very fresh. I think the orange smell is kind of the main thing that I'm picking up, but it also has a bit of a medicinal, herbal kind of smell to it, which is probably the buckthorn. I don't really know what that smells like, but that's probably what it is. It has a light pastel, pinky orange kind of color when you put it on the skin. Yeah, the smell is a mix of a citrusy fresh scent with a herbal scent, as I said, probably from the buckthorn. Now I'm gonna leave the mask on until it dries off, wash it off with water, and then tell you guys my thoughts. Alrighty, I am back. I just washed off my Boo mask and I have my final thoughts. So this mask felt a little bit more aggressive on my skin. It hasn't irritated my skin or anything. As you can see, my face isn't red or anything, but it did sting a little bit. So that gives me the feeling that it is meant for targeting acne or stuff like that. Acne products usually tend to be a little bit more aggressive and maybe cause a little bit of stinging or dryness, whereas for sensitive skin, you would get more of a soothing, softer kind of feeling. Looking on their website, they wrote about what each of the 3 main ingredients are supposed to do. So the pumpkin is supposed to have fruit enzymes that brighten, soften, and soothe the skin, and it also boosts collagen naturally. Buckthorn is a plant that helps heal and nourish your skin while slowing down the aging process. Lord knows I need that. I know I'm 20, but like, I want to be 16 again. Orange is a natural skin exfoliant and dries out acne, improving the skin's overall appearance, plus all that vitamin C leaves your skin glowing. So just like I said, the orange is supposed to target acne and dry out the acne, so I feel like that's probably why I felt like this mask was a little bit more aggressive, or it had a bit of that just like acidity to it that kind of stings a little bit, but it wasn't anything bad. Again, like I said, no irritation going on. My face looks totally fine. So as I said, you still have a few days to be able to subscribe to this Boo mask. It is a different mask every single month when you subscribe for Muddy Monthly. I also have a discount code with Muddy Body. The code is Hexa. It will be right over here. Unfortunately, you cannot use the code for Muddy Monthly, but you can use it to get 10% off on any of the other products on their website. Before I end this video, I actually kind of want to try out the Glow Elixir as well. This bottle is so small, I feel bad like using up any of it, but I've been really wanting to try this, so let's go for it. This has gold flakes in it apparently, which is why I'm shaking it, because they've kind of settled to the bottom a little bit. Okay, and it has like one of these pipette type of things, like you squeeze it and it gets the product up in there, and then you can like, whoop, freak, I just got that on my clothes rather than on my face. Okay, this is a lot more liquidy than I thought. I have like a similar kind of elixir product from the Body Shop, which is very sticky, so that's what I thought this was gonna be like, but this is a lot more like oily instead. Wow, that is really intensely hydrating. It's quite a kind of thick feeling oil. It's not really just disappearing into the skin, it kind of stays on my skin, and this feels really nice. I feel like this is something that I would put on kind of before bed, or maybe mix it in with foundation if you have really dry skin. That is really awesome. This is good. It smells really nice as well. I feel like that smell is, I recognize the smell of this oil from somewhere. I think it has lavender in it. Let's find out. Let's check out the website. So yeah, the oil is the elixir is quite a thick kind of oily consistency, very, very hydrating, nourishing, and just feels very kind of intense. Okay, cool. So it says that the uses are as a daily moisturizer, lip and cuticle hydration. Oh, I didn't put this on my lips, and I actually have been having really dry lips. And it also says you can mix it with foundation, like I said, so that's really nice. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so the ingredients are, or the main ingredients are Abyssinian oil, which assists with skin regeneration as well as adding moisture to the skin. Avocado oil, which aids with decreasing age spots and polishing out fine lines and wrinkles. Grapeseed oil, which is rich in vitamins C, D, and E, as well as B-carotene. Grapeseed oil has antioxidants that are known to reverse the signs of aging and prevent breakouts. That is really cool. There's this like myth that if you have oily skin or if you have acne, you shouldn't use any oil-based products, but that's not necessarily true. If you excessively dry out your skin, then it's just gonna start producing more and more sebum, more of that natural skin oil to try to compensate for that, and you're just gonna end up kind of making your skin produce a lot more oil, and it kind of turns against you. And it contains 24 karat gold. Gold is known to minimize inflammation and is used as an anti-aging ingredient. Gold also aids in hydrating, firming, and decreasing wrinkles and fine lines. I don't know how much I believe that. It seems like a really strange thing to just like put gold flakes on your face. Like, or are they supposed to like disappear into your skin? I don't know, but it's certainly like a very fun, fancy little thing to do, and the price is okay. It's not that expensive. Because I'm in Germany, it's showing me the price in euros, so it says it is 35 euros. That should be around about $40 or so. I don't know, why am I smelling lavender in this? I don't know, but I think it might be the grapeseed oil smell that I'm recognizing. My therapist once prepared like a massage oil for me that I think was had a grapeseed oil base. Alright, anyway, so that was the end of today's review. I actually really love this Elixir thing that came with it. I'm so glad I got to try it out, and I think I am definitely going to order it. It smells really good, it feels really nice on my skin, very hydrating, and I feel like I'm looking kind of glowy. The Boo mask I feel is probably a little bit better for people who have acne prone skin or oily skin. I wouldn't necessarily use it if you have particularly dry or sensitive skin, but it smells really good. The ingredients are nice. I love the name of it. It's cute. So if it seems like something that you might want to try out, you still have a few days to subscribe to Muddy Monthly. Alright, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat for more. And you can donate to my Patreon down below to support me and my channel. Again, don't forget, if you want to order anything from Muddy Body, you can use my code Hexa for 10% off. That was a really fast outro. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!